How to upload files and folders to OneDrive. So if you want to upload files and folders to your OneDrive, then what you need to do is just open up your browser and go with OneDrive login. Once you've searched, now you just need to simply go with the Microsoft OneDrive and log into your Microsoft OneDrive. Go with sign in, enter your email, phone number, and then go with next. Enter your password or just go with send code and you'll receive a code. Enter the code right here. And once you've logged into your OneDrive, you'll get this kind of interface, right? Now, what you need to do is just go with My Files, which is right here on the left side. Once you go with My Files, you'll have all of your files right here. So you'll have the upload option, which is right here on the upper side. But if you don't have it right here on the left side, you will have that. Go with plus, new, and upload. And you can choose files upload or folders upload. So you can simply go with any one of these options, or you can just go with Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Excel, survey, or text document. So I'll be choosing files upload. Click on it and then choose the files that you would like to upload. So you just need to simply go with a file and then go with open. And after that, it will start adding your files to OneDrive. So here you can see that the file has been added or uploaded. So that's how you can upload your files and folders to your OneDrive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.